I'm Brianna Sullivan with the Sullivan Real Estate Group. We are here at our brand new listing. If you've been looking for an investment opportunity, this is the one. With numbers to back it up, let's go check it out. This unit comes completely turnkey, featuring 3 beds, 2 baths, and includes a 12 by 28 boat slip. Oops, you caught me. I was just taking in these incredible views of the 2-mile marker. If you want this view to be yours, give us a call today.